my skin feel refreshed and radiant every day. This DIY facial cleanser is my secret weapon for achieving silky smooth skin without harsh chemicals. This recipe is simple and fun, and your skin will love it. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth. I'm a certified clinical aromatherapist, and I can't wait to show you how to make this amazing recipe. Today, we'll make a soothing facial cleanser, leaving your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and radiant. If you're like me and care about what goes on your skin, this recipe is perfect because it's completely natural and free from harsh chemicals. Before we jump into this recipe, can I say we're obsessed with making natural DIY projects easy and fun. That's why with the Simply Earth recipe box, it's a total game changer. When you subscribe, we'll send you all the key ingredients for this recipe right to your doorstep. No more running around to the store. Did I also mention you'll get a free big bonus box when you sign up? You can also get each ingredient at simplyearth.com. Store-bought facial cleansers are loaded with harsh chemicals and can leave your face feeling dry, irritated, or worse, like it just survived a chemical peel. Don't worry, we've got you covered. With this DIY facial cleanser recipe, you'll know exactly what's going on your skin. No mystery ingredients, just pure goodness. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's make this soothing facial cleanser together. From your recipe box, you'll use a 1/4 teaspoon of almond oil. This hydrates and nourishes your skin. You'll use 1 drop of lavender 4042 essential oil. This is a calming scent and is great for balancing out your skin. You'll use 1 package of the Simply Earth face wash powder. This is for cleansing your skin. From your home, you'll want to use a face mask. The reason you'll want to use a face mask is because you're using a powdered surfactant, is what the Simply Earth face wash powder is. Surfactants are very fine powders and they can easily go airborne. If inhaled, they are irritating and will likely make you cough. So wearing a face mask can help prevent this. Once the powder is combined with the liquid, the powder is less likely to go airborne and be irritating to the lungs. And a 1-ounce jar. In a small bowl, mix the almond oil and lavender 4042 essential oil. While wearing a face mask, add the Simply Earth's face wash powder to the oils and stir until evenly combined. Transfer your mixture to a small jar. To use, wet face, place a pea-sized amount of the gentle facial cleanser onto your hands. Add a small amount of the water and rub the cleanser until it forms a lather. Apply to face and rinse away for smooth, soft, and clear skin. Don't forget to label it. Wow, this feels so refreshing and light. My skin is absolutely loving it. When you make this recipe, take a picture and show it off with the hashtag #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag From Simply Earth for your chance to win a free $5 gift card and get featured on our socials. Let's see your creations. Love easy, natural DIYs? Join the Simply Earth Recipe Box family and start creating your own magic. If you enjoyed this video, stick around for more fun, simple recipes that are coming your way. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching.